I will show you on how to design your database using SQL statement. So first, let's create database. We will name database. We will name this database using our surnames. Gapos DB. Then let's click create. After creating database, let's create at least 3 tables. So click Gapos DB SQL. So now we have 3 tables, which is students, courses, and address. So after creating 3 tables, click go. After creating 3 tables, let's click Gapos DB. So now we have 3 tables. This is our tables: address, courses, and students. Next, we will insert at least 3 data in one table. So let's click students. So now we have 3 data in student table. After creating or after inserting 3 data, click go. Now we already inserted 3 data in student table. So let's take there. So let's take a screenshot first. Next, we will drop one table in our database. So in dropping a table in our database, just click our database and go to SQL. Then now let's drop the enrollment table. Click go. Okay. There's an error, so let's change this into address. Go. Now we already dropped the address table. After dropping one table, let's delete one data inside a table. So in deleting one data inside the table, just click Gapos DB SQL. So now we're deleting ID number 1 from students. Go. Okay. Now we already deleted the ID number 1 in students. So let's check. There. That's it po. Thank you so much.